Hello guys, in this video I'll actually show you a one tool inside AI that you should definitely install inside your Windows or Linux or Mac machine. So this tool allows you to run any AI application directly inside your machine as a desktop application. This tool is called as Pinocchio. If you directly this on Google, the very first link which appears. So this Pinocchio is actually a platform. It's a desktop application which you can directly install inside your machine. It launches everything, any application as a local host application directly inside your machine. So you have full control directly, privately, you can install any application and launch any application. So this is actually the download button is there. You simply click the download button and simply select your operating system. It's available for every operating system, Mac, Linux, Windows. So the installation is very straightforward. You simply select the download button. The download will start. It's just 121 megabytes. So I've already installed it. So actually, it's a simple setup process. You simply launch this setup and directly install this. So once the installation complete, you will actually see the interface will launch of Pinocchio. You will see this is actually the home page, which looks something like this. So you can actually explore any AI application by clicking the explore button, and then inside the search bar you can actually type any kind of AI application that you need to install directly inside your machine. So it gives you suggestions. So let's suppose you want to install any application. You click on that simple application and you see this install button. So you click the install button to directly install this application directly inside your machine. So you have back forward button right here. So you also have ability to filter out applications depending upon different tags like image generation, image edit. You can even filter out based upon operating system as well, the GPU as well, like this. So let's suppose I want to search coding related tools. So right here I will simply type this. So it will now show me all the coding related tools right here. So let's suppose you want to install this, you click the install button and you install this. It will show you the size right here. So it will list out all the system requirements which are needed for this application. And if you are happy with that, you can click the install button. These are all the dependencies which are needed for this single application. So one by one, it will install all these 11 items. And as you click the install button, instantly all the installation happens directly in the background. So with a single click, you directly install all these applications. So you don't need to remember all the commands. So it's a graphical user interface kind of a tool where you simply click the one button and everything will go directly in the background. It will do everything for you, setup. So once it completes, you will get a notification that your app is installed. You can directly run the app in the browser. So this is an ultimate tool. If you are an AI developer, if you are a coder, you should definitely have this tool installed inside your machine. It's completely open source, so it doesn't cost you anything. So once it is installed, it directly stays inside your machine. So it's kind of a AI browser where you explore different apps which are released in the market, and it's kind of a search engine. So if you need to see the source code of this, you can go to their GitHub repo. So this is everything is open source. So one by one, as you can see, it is installing the dependencies Once it is installed, the dependency, it will move to the next one. So with the help of this, you can execute complex apps, AI related apps, or any kind of app directly. So simply paste the URL and click the install button, and so it will do everything for you. So default location is in the C drive. So whenever it installs, it creates this folder, Pinocchio folder, as you see that. So all the installation comes inside this folder. So if any time you want to delete something, you need to come to this folder, and all the plugins scripts are stored inside this folder. So you can see it is installing these packages in this bin folder one by one. So you should have at least some kind of space while running this application, because it will install dependencies and it should require enough space to actually host. So make sure that you have enough space before running this application, and also enough RAM as well. So these are some requirements. So RAM is also required for running this.